Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Aimee and today I'm going to be unboxing my first Fab Fit Fun box. This is my first box and funny enough, this is also my first unboxing video. Let's get unboxing. So I just opened it and this is what I see. Oh, some ceramic mugs, a set of 2. This is so, oh, and they even have a little detail inside. XX little. What is it? Oh, you don't know. Liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica. Love it. This one is a daily facial dry brush. That's perfect because literally after this I'm going to take a bath. So this is great. Oh my god, I was gonna get a pair of these at TJ Maxx. Oops. Some big slippers. Oh, it's a little wallet. That's super cute. Reddish maroon snake skin. That's adorable. Laura Seller. Cinnamon and spice. Aw, this is pretty. Some nice neutral colors. It is a bathrobe! Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. Oh my god, that's so cool. A Kind bar. Apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. Yes. Guys. This was a lot. And recap, dry shampoo, Kind bar, this robe, my socks, the LED light, the sticker of course, the little wallet, the dry skin brush, the eyeshadow palette, 12 Wells, liquid eyeliner, and 2 adorable ceramic mugs. But just to reiterate, okay, Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box. I'm super excited to see what other boxes I get in the future because I feel like that was a lot. I'm super excited. Check out their website, I'm putting the link below, and hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. Come back for the next one. Bye guys!